सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम करेंगे एनसीईआरटी बुक ऑफ क्लास 8 मैथ्स एक्सरसाइज 3.2 ऑफ चैप्टर 3 अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स. So the question first, find x in the following figures. We have to find the x in the formula sum of all side n minus 2 into 180. This is the figure triangle, and there are two sides, but the three side is x, so we find x. So we solve this and we have answer 180 degree. You can see this answer. Now question first, second part, we have to take 2 degree 90 degree, because you can see in this figure there are two perpendicular 90 degree. There are two perpendicular. You can see 90 plus 90 180. So we solve this, and x is equals to 50. You can see this answer. Now question second, find the measure of each exterior angle of a rectangular polygon. So the exterior formula is exterior is equals to 360 upon n. N is equals to 9 sides of 40, and we have the 40 answer. And question third, you can see the formula. We have to find exterior angle. Formula n is equal to 360 exterior angle. We find exterior angle, and this is the 15 sides is the answer. In question 4, how many sides does a regular polygon exterior if the angle is 165 degree? So we find this same as questions first, second, and we find that question fifth. You can see question fifth part B. You can see. Now 3.2 we do. In this video we do exercise 2, sixth question. Now what is the minimum exterior angle, equatorial angle, because it has three sides, and measure interior angle 60 degree. In exterior we same do as a formula of exterior angle, and we have an answer. So now we do exercise 3.3. In this video we do two exercises. So we do 3.2 before this exercise. Now we do this question. We're given a parallelogram ABCD. We have to give a treatment. Opposite side are equal, opposite side are equal, diagonals bisect each other, adjacent angle are supplementary. In this figure you can see. So we have to see this figure and say AD is what, this is opposite to which one, BC or not, that. So you can see this answer. The blue color pen is the answer. In question second, we do vertical opposite angle of parallelogram are equal. So we do the answer as a vertical opposite angle and y plus x. This is the figure of this question. B plus the all sides, and we have the answer. In second part, same as first part, you can see vertical opposite angle of parallelogram. In third part, same, you can see the answer. In fourth part, you can see a same answer is z is equals to 80. In fifth question, you can see. You pause the video and see carefully. Now question third, we have to say what is it. This is opposite angle. Which one is this? This is ABCD be a parallelogram, if yes or not. So you can see the answer. Now question fourth, you can see. Question fifth and sixth, we have to find the 3x and 2x. We take angles 3x and 2x, and the answer is 72 degree. In this question 90 degree. In seventh question there is 110, 40, 30 degree. And you can see the eighth question have these diagrams. You can see in book. If you have doubt, please comment down below. Question 9 and question 10, the figures of this 9th and 10th is this. You can see the answer. Angle x is equals to 50 degree, and this is answer. Yes, it is a parallel, it is a trapezium. And in question 11, you can see this is full question 11, the 11th figure, and 12 figure. You can see the answer of 12th also.